The next day, 第二天。I went to a place. 我去了一个地方。Tomorrow, I will meet my friend. 明天我要跟我的朋友见面。Hello, everyone. 大家好。Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Last time, I pointed out some typical beginner's problem in this video. Today, we will continue. I will show you 5 more common mistakes. Let's get started. First, the next day. Is it 下一个天? This is wrong. We say 第二天。第二天。2. I went to a place. Is it 我去到了一个地方? No, we just say 我去了一个地方。我去了一个地方。Don't think go is 去 to is 到。If you are thinking in this way, it means you are still doing translating from English to Chinese. 3. Tomorrow I will meet my friend. Is that 明天我会见面我的朋友? There are 2 problems here. First, we have to say 明天我要跟我的朋友见面。跟 somebody 见面。There isn't a 见面 somebody in Chinese. This would be a mistake. Secondly, 我会跟 somebody 见面。This is too formal. If you are going to meet your professor or your boss, that's fine. 我要跟我的教授见面。我要跟我的老板见面。But if you are just meet your very close friend, we usually say 我约了我朋友。For example, 明天明天不行，我约了菲菲。For I have to visit my grandma this Saturday. How would you say this? Is it 我要看我的奶奶这个星期六？Time words must be put in the first or the second place, so we have to say 我这个星期六要看我的奶奶。And do not use 拜访、造访、看望. These are too formal words. 5. Can you hear me? Would you say 你听到我吗? If yes, the answer would be incorrect. We would say 你能听到吗？你能听到吗? However, native speakers do use 你能听得到吗? 你能听得到吗? If you can't hear, would you say 我不能听到? If yes, then your answer would be incorrect. We say 我听不到. This is a grammar called complement. If you can't see, we don't say 我不能看. We say 我看不到 or 看不见. There you have it, 5 common mistakes made by beginners. If you ever made any other mistake, leave me a comment so we can all learn together. If you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for further real-life Chinese lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye!